dude. Okay, well, we'll just sit here. What the fuck was that? Okay. He's just straight up running. Wow.
At the light, swipe right onto Hampton Street.
Jesus, dude.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Melnia Castle.
Cool.
I started laughing because he understands what I'm saying. Oh my god, I don't know the area well enough. I go to follow it and it says turn right here. And I do, and it's like, no, you turned the wrong way.
Oh, somebody just turned right on. Yep, yeah, he did. I was like, there's a cop right there, dude.
You turned right on the red?
Yep. Sorry, bud. It's a security company. Oh my god, dude. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just fucking shoot one. Michelin. The Michelin star is the fucking tire company. Dude. Vermont, what the fuck are you doing, dude? What is everybody doing right here? Jesus Christ.
Princess of Wales. Where is she? We don't even get it. I've never seen a lobster. Are you kidding? Yeah. Well, I haven't seen that.
Jesus, Tesla. Dude, okay. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're fucking in the middle of everything, dude.
Because he's on the wrong side.
I know he is. Now he's panicking.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. Proud of you. Oh boy. Jesus Christ. Oh, dude. No fucking way. Nice. Nicely done.
This is a little Fiat.
That's cute.
Oh, hi.
Hi. What are you doing? What the fuck are you guys doing? Jesus. This is okay.
I'm okay.
She went around the other person too.
Baby, whoa, whoa, don't stab with that sword, baby, go slow. Gotta dodge every word on the pogo. Fears by the boatload. Oh no, I'm not gonna pretend it's all sunny here. Like it's not hot, sharp, baby, bunny is. But I think I love you for 100 years, even.
On the horizon of this forest path, you see a group of dark cloaked figures slowly trudging towards you. What do you do? My half-orc barbarian braces her great hammer, and that's the one face that fails. Steve, what do you do? Well, I believe in anticipation, my road.
Oh. Okay, go around it then. Okay. Are you going around him or not? Oh my god, dude.
I mean, do I look fine to you? It feels like I'm home down the hall. Are you the running of the runner? I saw your head as I'm loving it. I didn't recognize your face with the blood on it. Show me your lioness. Show me your black facade. You want to kill all that I feel. You want to sabotage. Sabotage. You want to sabotage.
Dude. What? Okay.
poo-poo, canned drinks, stuff like that. I know you love it.
Fruity drink.